Hello everyone, and welcome to this brand new CPD tour across Morocco. This year we're back on tour with ELI Publishing Group, the global leader in language education that makes learning fun and effective, and a key player in the publishing industry. Last year we travelled across Morocco, sharing ideas and sparking inspiration. And this year, new cities, new insights, and one powerful theme: teach, read, and inspire. Our first stop, Tangier. Here we gathered enthusiastic teachers and ELT supervisors to explore innovative, hands-on techniques for integrating coursebooks and graded readers into their lessons. Next, we headed to Tétouan, continuing our deep dive into creative classroom strategies and student-centered approaches that spark motivation and genuine language engagement. Then off to El Jadida, a place that's as vibrant as its community of teachers. Together, we discovered innovative strategies to weave reading into daily lessons, boosting language skills and building confidence in learners of all ages. But the best was yet to come. After El Jadida, we had a special guest join us, the one and only Koby Kory. Long-serving executive board member of the Extensive Reading Foundation, Koby has transformed how teachers inspire students through reading. Now, he was on his way to Rabat to share his insights with us. Koby's session, Fostering Language Acquisition, the Extensive Reading Approach, was a total game changer. He showed us how extensive reading can skyrocket language learning. Koby gave us the tools to supercharge any classroom and showed us how to incorporate ER into new and existing language education curricula. Meanwhile, Vanessa kept the momentum going with even more ways to seamlessly blend coursebooks and graded readers into engaging, memorable lessons. Our grand finale took place in Mohammedia, where the energy was through the roof once again in this beautiful town. English teachers left feeling fired up and loaded with fresh ideas to energize their teaching, and most importantly, to keep students excited about learning English. And that's a wrap on this extraordinary Moroccan tour with ELI Publishing Group. From Tangier to Mohammedia, we explored innovative ways to teach, read, and inspire, together creating a buzz of excitement and learning in every city we visited. We want to extend our deepest gratitude to the well-renowned teacher trainers Vanessa and Koby. All the teachers, supervisors, and participants who joined us shared their experiences and embraced new strategies. The ELI Publishing team, whose support and passion made each stop a memorable milestone. The Calliope team, for their commitment and dedication behind the scenes, ensuring every event ran smoothly. But this is just the beginning. More exciting, extensive reading initiatives are on the way, bringing even more opportunities to grow and innovate together. Thank you all for being part of this journey. We look forward to more dynamic, more enriching, and more inspiring adventures to come. Until next time, let's keep the spirit of learning alive and continue to teach, read, and inspire.
The aim of this presentation is to introduce to the Moroccan teachers our new course book for lower secondary school, which is called English Goals. We mainly focus on how to integrate our adoptional materials, specifically English Goals, as is the case, with our graded readers that have been highly successful around the world and been awarded also by the British Council for most innovative series 5 years ago in 2020. And also awarded several times, about 22 times, by the Extensive Reading Foundation.
The project that's being launched here is a groundbreaking concept. And Calliope putting together packages of course books and graded readers and introducing what we call class readers for the entire class to read together is a brilliant move. And I like to consider it an extensive reading starter pack, where all the students read the same books and then they're able to choose additional books, hopefully dozens and dozens of additional books to get this flood of input.
Judging on the teachers that I've met over these 7 years that I've been coming to Morocco, I have to say that I do think it will be very successful. And the reason why I'm saying this is that I've seen the dedication and hard work that our Moroccan teachers put into teaching. They don't just teach contents, but they teach with their hearts. So I think that what Calliope is doing by starting a new trend and creating packs in which there are the student's book, the workbook, and 2 readers is absolutely fundamental. Not just to get students to read, but also to get parents to value the importance of reading. And this is what the sessions were about, making them excited, helping them share teaching practices, and thinking about their contexts, thinking about how they can adapt this, thinking about how they can inspire students to go the extra mile and reach their full potential.